Hey kids, today we got to brave the cold. We got to get a car running. Let's do it. All right, we're out here. It's not hot, as you can tell. It's snowing a bit. Let me bring you up to speed on what happened. We're going to go right over there. All right, it's been very, very cold. Looking at 20, 30 below, especially with the wind chill and all that. We had a problem getting this one started and this one started. We were about to become a one-car family, and we're not having that. The Ridgeline's in the body shop. So what happened was, took batteries out. I tried. They didn't want to do it. So I took battery out, charged it up. We had it going. Then there's a dude staring at me. Then Rusty McTruckface left me stranded at work today. Decided it wouldn't start. I'm guessing it's the starter, because everything else is doing things. So when it started, the score was 6 for Rusty, 0 for the foreman. When it left me stranded, it was Rusty 6, foreman 1. Which brings us to our last stand, which is Peyton's Envoy. Now, if for some reason it doesn't start, we're going to be a one-car family. We cannot have that. No. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a battery in this turd, and we're going to start it up. That's the plan. Well, what happens if we become a one-car family? That doesn't sound good. No, it's not good at all. Because then we all have to try to be together, and nobody wants that. Then we're having to deal with, well, what do we have going on with this one? And then what do we have going on with this one? I mean, how much is that going to cost, right? I already paid for a tow today. It was $200 almost. So we're going to put this right in the snow. What else could we do if we're down to one car? Can't drive this. Can't drive this. Maybe we can. So we're going to hook up the battery. Yep. Well, what happens if we can't drive? It's going to be pandemonium, is what it is. Straight up pandemonium. Why is that blinking? We don't know. The car's too new. Yeah, this is happening live. I'm not editing this at all. You may ask yourself, where did he get that sweet wrench? Well, it's Harbor Freight. Okay. Wait, watch. Yeah. I'm not going to even get in. Okay. Something. Well, for today, we're not going to be a one-car family. All right, look. I'm excited that it started for a couple of reasons. One, because it started. 2, I think that we should have more than one car that works. You know, with the Ridgeline being on, we should have at least one more out of 4 that works. And not only that, I did not want to throw this together for my plan B or Z or whatever plan it was going to be, because I'll tell you what, that might be cold. It would be a blast, but it'd be cold. So what we're going to do to ensure things, I'm going to grab a trickle charger. going to bring it up front. I don't know why I said up front, because this garage is in front of that garage. Doesn't matter. Knock it off. We're going to grab a boost pack, a jump pack, because you never know when you're going to need one. We're up there for that one. Trickle charger, just we're going to let it sit. Now this battery that I just used went all the way overnight. We're thinking that Rusty's starter gave up the ghost, because you can hear it clicking, but it's not doing anything. So what I'm going to have to do is maybe this weekend, if it's not horrible, we'll try the old persuader. But anyway, now you can see how we saved ourselves from being a one-car family. And I'll tell you what, I couldn't be happier. See? So, anyway, if this happens to you where it's minus 847 and then it's snowing and it's windy and it gets out to be 1,000 below, be patient. Take your time. What could be the problem? A lot of the time it's just a dead battery. Unless you're Rusty McTruckface, then it's a dead battery and possibly a starter and who knows. Oh, also a low tire. Yeah, that was fun. I saw that. So anyway, kids, hey, you saw Clyde. No more Clyde. Thanks so much for watching. Keep on wrenching, kids.